Hello, welcome to Creation Station at Moorpark City Library. Today we are wrapping earphones. So let's get started. I am going to show you what you're going to receive in your Creation Station kit for wrapping headphones. You are going to receive a set of instructions with two sides to it, written and pictures. You are going to receive a pair of earphones. You will have two colors of string. To get started, we have our earphones here. You want to secure your end of your headphones to the table where you're working. I'm using painter's tape that comes in blue. It also comes in green or yellow, or you can use Scotch tape or masking tape. You can also use a book if you wanted to, instead of tape, to secure your cords so you can work away. So what you're going to want to do is measure out some string. I did about 36 inches to start. You can always add string. And it's really simple. All you have to do is tie it in a knot up here like this. This is called a box knot. We can cut the extra string off later that's dangling right here. You can stretch your string out like this so that it runs along with your cord. And then you will decide which color you want to start with, yellow or green. I think we'll go ahead and start with the yellow. And you're basically going to line your green string up with your cord, and you're going to form your yellow string into the shape of the number 4. When you do that, you're going to then take the yellow string, tuck it underneath the cord and the green string, and pull it back through the inside of your 4. And you're going to pull both ends like this up, and you're going to just keep doing that over and over so that you start wrapping your cord, and you'll see how it starts taking effect. And I didn't secure that well enough. Let me tape that down again. No worries if you don't secure it well enough. You can always redo it like I just did. And again, you just keep taking your thread and pulling it through and winding it up. And once you get a rhythm going, it can go fast, it can go slower. It's your speed, whatever you like. And then when you're ready to switch colors, all you have to do is move your yellow string back in line, pull your green string out like this, and then do the same thing you did with the yellow string, and you're going to make the number 4 just like that, and you can then wrap it around the cord and the yellow string and pull it back through and bring that up just like that. And it's going to then start showing the green string after the yellow string to start making your design with alternating colors so that you come out with a nice little pattern. And you just keep doing that over and over. Again, the number 4, take the green string, wrap it around your cord and your yellow string from underneath, pull it through the number 4, and voila. You can then, when you're ready, you can switch back to your yellow string like we did the green string before that, and just kind of wrap that around like we did before, using the number 4 as a guide to have your string wrap around the cord and the green string from underneath and pull up, and then it just keeps taking form. Now I'm going to move over to this cord where I want to show you what happens when you start running out of string. Say you have 2 colors like we do here, and our green string is getting shorter than the yellow string, and we're going to need to add more string. So all we really have to do here is, the first thing you want to do is tie off this green string with the yellow string, so you just do a little box knot like we did to start on the other string or cord, and you can just leave it like this for now. We're going to add some more green string. So you can measure it out, you can just stretch it along, because again, you can just add as you go. And in order to add the green string, we are just going to tie it right up here with the yellow string. And a little knot. And let's see here. We're going to just wrap it around. Tie it in a little knot. Again, we're going to snip off the excess little string that we don't need. And we'll just snip that off quickly so it's out of the way. Or if you're really talented, you can wrap it within your cord area, and then you don't have to worry about it that way either. So now we have a longer string, and we can keep continuing to work with our green string that we just added by doing again our number 4. Wrapping that underneath the yellow string, your cord, and pulling it through the number 4 and dragging it back up like this, and it starts taking shape again because we added the green string to continue where we were getting short. And again, you could do that with your yellow string if needed, and just keep pulling it up. We'll do one more so I can show you how that's working out. Again, underneath the cord and the yellow string, back through your number 4 of the green string and pulling up. Just like that. And then you can now alternate back to yellow, which we'll straighten this out a little bit like that. Make your number 4 with your yellow. Take that and put it underneath your green string, through your yellow 4 and back up. And again, you just keep doing the motion over and over. And now that's starting to take shape again, just as before. There we go. And then now we're going to move on to showing you what happens when you get to a stopping point, such as this piece here on your earphone, you would, or also it would be also the end of your cord, you would do the same thing. You would just tie your string into a knot at the end, just like that. And then you can snip the ends off. So that they're not dangling. Sorry, I'm not very good at this. Okay. And then we are going to restart. We can restart here with more string, like you would just start when you started at the top of your string, at your cord, by measuring out a little more string. Let's see here. And I like to try and get equal parts of my colors by matching the strings up together and measuring them out together so that they're together like that. And then you could just take your string, and again, to restart, you just tie your pieces together like this in a knot right up there at the beginning spot again. And then you can start with the same structure as before. Since we ended with yellow here, we can start with green down here. So we're going to line up our cord and our yellow together, and we're going to take the green and make the number 4. We are going to take the green string and tuck it underneath the cord, and the yellow string, pull it back through the number 4 and pull it up like so. And we're going to keep with that routine until we get to the end of our string. So we just, again, you can use more than 2 colors. We chose 2 colors this time, but you can use 4 or 5 colors and just keep alternating. You can just use 1 color if you prefer. It's all up to you what you decide to do. We are providing 2 colors in this kit for you to work with, and that will will fill up your entire earphones nicely and perfectly. And again, your earphones will then be nicely wrapped, similar to what I did on my pair. So that's your end result there. Again, enjoy Creation Station and wrapping your earphones. We look forward to seeing you back here at the Moorpark City Library. Have a great day.